Hello everyone, welcome back after a long time. We know it's been a while that we have uploaded a video. For the past few weeks, we were all not doing well here at Abu Dhabi and also at Shama's place. Due to the change in weather, we were all very sick, and Shama and her family were tested positive with COVID. But we are all recovering now. Everything is under control. Enough about the sickness, let's start our journey now. This video is not just a travel vlog. We are going to meet someone special for the first time. This is the night view of Dubai. Each time we travel to Dubai, it brings back so many memories. I used to work when we were in Dubai, and this was where my office was, in Business Bay. Hari and me just love these places. He still wishes to shift back to Dubai. Of course, it feels nice to travel to Dubai once in a while. But I prefer Abu Dhabi. It's more calm and peaceful here. So here we are finally at our destination. We are meeting our family after a really long time. So you can understand the level of excitement we had. And that's Aparna. We call her Chinnu. She's my sister-in-law. And that little cute baby is Aryan, our little Ayu. And we are seeing him for the first time directly. We do talk to him through video calls, but still it took time for him to recognize us. They were also seeing Vedu for the first time. Ayu was born on March 2020, just after the pandemic started. So we couldn't travel to Kerala to meet him. And after that I got pregnant and I had Vedu here, because of which our whole family couldn't meet Vedu. So this was our first family reunion after the babies were born. We missed Achan and Amma. As you all know, Expo 2020 is going on in Dubai. So they planned their vacation to UAE this time. This way they could meet us and also go to the Expo. It was a weekend, so we thought why not go to Dubai and meet them early and spend more time with them.
Hello everyone.
We had just planned one day trip and we wanted to go to so many places, but finally, as usual, we ended up just going to the Expo. Happens always with us. When you're traveling with children, it's not at all easy. Nothing ever goes as planned. Our three little naughty babies, Rihan, Ayu and Vedu.
ഇങ്ങനെ balls on the
After having a tasty South Indian breakfast, we checked out from the hotel apartment. It was a very spacious 2-bedroom service apartment. As the expo site was in the outskirts of the city, we thought it would be better that we have the lunch before we go there. So we went to a restaurant named Ustad Hotel, which was near to the place where we were staying. Ayu fresh after his nap and other two are still napping. We are waiting for the bus to take us to the expo site. We are provided with free bus ride that take us from the parking area to the place where expo is being held. Here we are at Expo 2020, where 192 countries are participating. It was supposed to be held last year, but due to COVID, it was postponed to 2021. It's definitely worth visiting. It's spread into such a large area that one day will not be enough. Each participating country will have their own pavilion. In these pavilions, they will be showcasing about their culture, art, natural resources, architecture, scientific inventions, cuisines, and many other things. Before visiting, please do some research and find out the must-visit pavilions. But yes, of course, every pavilion is unique and every country has something special to show us. There are 3 districts: sustainability, opportunity and mobility, and we were in mobility district. After the Chile, we entered the Iran pavilion. It's fascinating to see about each country so closely. Next, we are going to the beautiful France. One of the volunteers there recommended us to visit the Thailand pavilion, but we couldn't go as it was very crowded.
I'll be your flight captain.
When they were playing that time, we didn't know this is going to cause us so much trouble. These water sprinklers are definitely one of the reasons they got sick, and also the changing weather. All three of them were so happy and excited. They were not ready to go anywhere else. After that, we just went to one more pavilion and that's it. We took a short break to change their diapers and also to feed them. There are many shops where you get water and snacks, but it's better you carry something with you, especially when you have kids. After the changing and feeding, we went to one of the must-visit pavilions, Hungary. But before that, meet Opti.
Hi, video.
This is a mascot of Expo 2020. He greets the visitors and entertains them. And also he is the guardian of the Opportunity District. The outside look of the Hungary pavilion itself is very appealing. Their pavilion is mostly about water, showing why they are called Land of Waters and how rich they are in water minerals. By then we were all so tired that we just wanted to sit for some time and enjoy some good music. We had to travel back to Abu Dhabi the same day, so we stayed there for some time and then we left. We couldn't record anything after this because our phones got switched off. Next day, we went to Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. This is Arun, Aparna's husband. Vihan was super happy to play with his brothers. By the next day, children started feeling a little sick. Even Chinu was not feeling well. That's why they decided to extend their stay until they feel better. And also, Arun and Chinu were working from here, so we all just stayed home. The next few days, we were all very tensed seeing children suffer like this. Poor them. They don't eat well, sleep well, so difficult for them. Chinu wanted to try Arabic food, so we went to an Arabic restaurant. Wow, my children. All of them were having chest infection, and Vedu was even admitted for a few days for developing pneumonia. They were going back to Dubai the next day as their flight was from Dubai.
Samada ayule. Samada.
Stop it, Ajahn. Stop it, Aju Mama.
We will all miss Ayu so much. The way he calls us Mami, Chichi, and his cute little smile. They went back the next day morning, and our next few days were here in the hospital. Slowly, all three of them are recovering. Now they are all fine. We are all happy and active. That is all we want. We even had to celebrate Vedu's star birthday in the hospital. Hope you all liked the video. We'll soon be back with our next trip to Expo. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.